Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do split screen in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. First, open CapCut and import the videos or pictures you want to use. Drag your main clip onto the timeline, and then add the other clips as overlays by dragging them above the main track. Next, select the top video. On the right-hand panel, go to Video, Basic, and lower the opacity. This helps you line things up. For example, you might want one video on the left and the other on the right. Adjust their positions in the preview until you're happy. Now, bring the opacity of the top clip back to 100%. Keep it selected, then go to Mask under the Basic tab. Choose Split. You'll now see a line appear in the preview window. Use the rotation handle to adjust the angle, and then drag the line to position it exactly how you want. That's it. You now have a split screen effect in CapCut PC. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.